this is Chef Pete and welcome back for another episode of Carpizzo's Kitchen from Heal, Eat, and Teach on YouTube. And today I've got my little pan out, and what am I going to do? I'm going to show you how to make a very simple sheet pan or roasting pan, or however you want to do it, air fry dinner. All in one pan, vegetables, meat, and such, okay? So there we go. So get your sheet pan ready to go. And once you get your sheet pan ready to go, then you have to decide what kind of meat you're going to use. Today, I'm going to use, sometimes I use chicken breast. Today, I'm going to use chicken thigh, okay? Chicken thigh works really well because you can air fry it, it stays moist, you mix it with your vegetables, everything gets. Take my chicken thigh that I've already taken the outside skin, and I am just going to cut it up into some nice pieces. And if there's any, you can leave the fat if you like. If there's a lot of fat, just take it off like I'm doing. And then get yourself, cut it up into some nice pieces, and that's really all there is to it. Now you can use, like I said, chicken breast if you like. Just remember to not overcook your chicken breast or you will dry it out. This is absolutely beautiful. So in my bowl, I'm going to go right with my chicken thigh. So we're going to start with our chicken thigh. Let's get this out of the way. And we'll get, that's in our bowl. And then we need some vegetables. So let's get, I'm going to put some potatoes today, but you can put whatever you like. I'm going to start with some potatoes, and we'll cut them up. And if you see any bad spots or whatever, just cut it off. Cut it right off, not a problem. And then let's cut these into small, nice sized pieces so they cook fairly quick with our veggies, okay? And we'll get another potato going here. It's a not so great one, but that's okay. We just cut the bad pieces just like that, and we get them into our bowl with our meat, okay? Because we're going to season the meat and get this in our sheet pan so that we can make a sheet pan supper, right? Okay, so let's get this cut. And our potatoes, we'll get our potatoes in here. And then you say to yourself, well, what kind of vegetables other than that? I'm going to put some peppers in here today. I think I have some beautiful colors, different rainbow colors here of peppers. And, you know, you can put cabbage if you want. You can put, if you like, squash. You put whatever you like in there, whatever your family likes, okay? So there we go. So we've got our meat in and our potatoes to start. So let's get an onion in here. I've got an onion right here. Let's just cut him down and cut him like this and cut the onion up so that we can get him into our sheet pan mixture here, okay? All right, and we get our onion in. And, you know, whatever you guys like, whatever your family likes for veggies, okay? I like to get some nice flavor in here. Here I have our beautiful, beautiful, look at this, beautiful orange colored peppers. Look at this. And we're just I'm gonna make them into some, a nice size so that we have them in here. Okay, there we go. And then I have a nice orange colored one here too, and we're just gonna
yellow.
I mean, this is yellow. I'm sorry, orange is coming up. My fault. All right, we'll get them in here.
Orange, yellow, and red.
And here's red. So we get our red pepper in here. So we get some nice colors. Now you can add, like I said, some squash if you prefer. If not, this makes a beautiful vegetable blend. Okay, then I'm going to turn on my air fryer over here. So let's get our mixture of everything, and then I'm going to get some garlic in here.
So what flavors are we doing today? What would you call this? Is this an ethnic dish?
Well, no, not really. This is just going to be beautiful, boneless chicken thigh, and we're going to make it Mediterranean style, kind of ethnic, because I just put some garlic in here. All right, and then
Who doesn't love garlic?
we're going to get some salt in here. Let's get some salt, okay, and let's get some oregano. We've got onion, we've got our peppers. Let's get oregano in there, just like that. And then I need to have something, maybe a little paprika, I think, for color. We'll just give it some paprika. Alrighty, and then olive oil. We need some olive oil.
Oh
in here
yeah, olive oil.
so that we can do, so we get nice, beautifully browned meat and veggies, okay? All right, so I need a good spoon, and we're just going to kind of mix this up. Now you can use your hands if you like. I just grabbed a spoon, and we'll get our potatoes mixed with our paprika and our garlic and our salt. Add a little pepper too if you like pepper. Okay, and look at this, how colorful it is, because we're making a sheet pan supper here. Now, like I said, you can add whatever vegetables you like, and I'm going to go with these vegetables today. And our meat is mixed up nice. Look at how nice that is. All right, so then get your sheet pan over here, and we get our sheet pan going. Okay, and you don't have to spray this because I've got olive oil here. So just get it all out on your pan, just like this. All right. Get all the good olive oil, because you know olive oil is expensive today. Let's get it all out, and we're going to do this at 400 degrees till the veggies are nice and fork tender. And your meat is cooked. You see, your meat is all mixed up with your potatoes, and your potatoes and veggies are fork tender, and that's all there is to it. We're going to put this in, and here we have Chef Pete's excellent, because it is excellent, and you guys should give it a try. See how easy this is? And you just have one pan to clean up. I use some aluminum foil, and there we have it. So this is going to go into our air fry oven at 400 till we have potatoes fork tender and veggies fork tender. Okay, so there we have it. Give it a try, and we'll see you again in the next episode of Carpizzo's Kitchen. But remember, it costs you nothing to subscribe, so click the subscribe button, click the like button, share this out there, and thumbs up to us and to all of you. So this is Peter Carpizzo's sheet panning it today, out.